Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, wearing my Pittsburghese t-shirt. And I am the one, the official, the only, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy imposters or commentators. And I forgot that in the last video because I'm out of breath. Okay, we have can't remember if this is from eBay or Amazon, but I think it's from Amazon. Biggie Bargains, Orrigsburg, Pennsylvania. Another Pennsylvania item. We just did a video on this item, definitely from Pennsylvania. My Steelers won, the Browns lost. What a pity. Would have knocked the Ravens out of the playoffs. Now, this is a very retro item. I don't know if it's going to work, and I'll do a video and see if it's going to work. This is the Excalibur Wireless News Ticker. No Wi-Fi or subscription needed. Get up-to-date, up-to-the-minute breaking news. Get news stories from all the major online news sources. Your instant breaking news center. Now, this service may not work anymore, so it may be a historical curiosity. It says news ticker, software included, USB wireless transmitter. So let's open this up. This was a working service when it came out a few years ago. No, that's not going to work. Let me get the scissor here. Okay, this has a thing. Place ticker anywhere in your home. They also had a weather ticker. Now, this plugs into your computer. So I'll have to see if this will work on the MacBook. And so there it is in the box. This is a brand new item. It's never been used. So we will find out if it works or not. More scissor work here. We got it taped up. Saw this a long time ago and thought it'd be cool to have it going off in the background, but I don't know if it's going to work. Alright, opening the box. And this is Burgh unboxing. So there's the box that came in. And you got the ticker quick start user guide. Both sides, and the FCC compliance thing. What the hell? Use the following link to download the latest version of the software. Well, I don't know if that's going to work or not. They don't give you a disc, they give you a piece of paper. That's being too cheap and chintzy. And cheesy. Alright. Take that off. Now I paid for Square Trade in case this thing doesn't work. And you have here the USB dongle for it. Now there's no... This is very odd. There's no power for this. So I don't know how the hell... Oh. This is not necessarily good. Oh, good Lord. They have made this... There. Okay, it takes 4 AA batteries. So to get it to work... I don't think I have 4 AA batteries floating around here. I got 3. Usually I have a lot of AAA batteries here. Oh, wait a minute. I just knocked my peach water over. Glad the top was sealed. My foot. Okay, 4 batteries. And we'll leave the... It's really hard to... Alright, this says... There you go. So... Speed of 4. Setting the month. Sure, how the hell? Well, let's take the iPad off for a minute and see if this will activate on the MacBook. I don't know yet. We'll try. Might work, it might not. I might have to get it working with a newer computer. Okay. Now put this, let's see, I'm going to do this. I don't have my usual dongle set up here for the extra USB stuff. I'll ask you to bear with me. Got this antenna here. There's the antenna. Unfortunately, won't have the Mac Mini up and running for another month or two. Okay. All right, now, what is going on with this Mac here? Oh dear. I don't even have a screen on here. I have just the Yosemite symbol and no Mac. Oh God. Okay. Well, this is interesting. It's completely lost. Very odd. Boy, oh, there it goes. Finally showed up. The Safari decided to show up. All right. You can see it waiting to receive data, and I'll have to figure out how to change the time and the date. Now we're trying to open up Safari, see if that will work. Just drop that little card. Okay, Safari internet work. Alright, we have, finally, Safari is working. Except now I can't, God. I moved the dongle this morning. Somewhere. That away. Where do I move it to? I don't know. Oh, that's where I moved it to. Okay.
again.
Okay. Forgot on the keyboard. I hooked the keyboard. Now, let's see if the wireless keyboard will work or not. Alright, this is, let's see here. Now this company merged with another company after they came out with this device. So there's no telling if the company still exists or not. Nope, doesn't work anymore. Well, I bought, fuzzy, looks like I bought a device that doesn't work. Well, you pays your money and you takes your chances. This is really stupid. Oh, this only worked on Windows. Now these guys were live in 2010. That's great. Well, it is a historical curiosity. So, somebody tried to give you a news ticker, and I thought this would be cool, but the website no longer works. What a pity. So let's... Let me see if... No, Excalibur crossbow. Let me try one other thing just for the hell of it. Oh well. Well, people are selling this. This gave you sports scores, weather. They're still selling it, but you can't get the software. So, hold on. Yep. Really stupid to give you a device where you cannot access the software. So, I guess they went out of business. Oh well, I tried. It will... really stupid they didn't leave an alternate link to put this software on. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. This was not a success. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and have a happy new year. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.